Johnson.
Hello, hello.
So today we're going to give a try his new rifle, which is M16 A3 type, right?
Yeah.
So today we are here to collect the product and give you a test shot. It's air pressured, so I'm so excited. And also I'm using the it's G Smooth Q. This is with iPhone X, iPhone 10, using front camera. So without further ado, let's have some fun. This is so cool.
开箱了。
Oh, you guys unbox. I will just record the video.
It's an unboxing, is it?
He has a YouTube channel.
You do?
Yeah, I usually do some unboxing videos, but
This is one of the.
technology products.
Yeah.
But this is like the real deal. Wow, nice. So this is the main body.
Yeah, that's the upper, and then that's the
You have
lower.
Speed loader.
Yeah. Have we got any of them M4 ones?
So can we use it to shoot like bird?
Okay. No.
No, not a,
Birds?
like ducks, wild ducks.
They're laughing, yeah?
How do I call it? Is it like air pressure gun or what?
Huh?
Gas.
What is the
Gas
correct?
Gas.
Gas,
Yeah,
right?
Gas blowback rifle.
Oh.
这个就是枪管，还有 upper receiver。
Oh, okay. So is it like fully automatic or half automatic?
Semi-auto and full auto.
Oh, wow. The material, is it steel or stainless?
It's sort of cast.
So the structure of this one is like just like the real gun.
Yeah.
Exactly the same.
Yeah.
Almost.
Pretty much, yeah. Part of the trigger block could be different because on the real one you'd have a hammer comes up to strike a firing pin that would be in there.
Yeah.
Where this one doesn't, it pushes that piece out there.
So I think
Strikes the back of the
because
magazine.
the real gun, you see that the bullet is bigger than the.
Oh yeah.
So that part is different. Is it possible to add something to decrease the noise of the?
You can put a suppressor on it, but it doesn't really make any difference.
No. That feels so good. Right, I think it's enough. And the smells of the gas is it carbon dioxide smell. But we will have some very cool shots. Now this is M16 with the scope. It's showtime. Yeah, running out of gas. End of today. See you.